Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a long time, so hope you guys enjoy this. Sorry for the delay. Tried many different times to do this, but I've been failing this whole time. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And this is a shift to sprint script, so yeah, let's get into it. So you want to insert a local script into start character scripts, which is located inside of start player. You can name it whatever you want, like bean. I don't know why, but who cares? But so this comment is optional, so you don't have to write this. The one with you're a coder, you probably get it, but the one with the 2 dashes, you don't have to write that. But to be clean, I'm just doing it. Local, you want to say the whole script you want to copy. Just, you don't have to copy the comments. Local pair equals game dot players. Bro, I always get place ID. I don't know why. Local player. Local character equals player dot character. Local user input service equal, or you can just type in UIS. It won't really matter, but so equals game get service user input service local like 150. Actually, the same. This you don't need to do this. Let's just add on if we need it. So yeah, scripts. Time to script. So you want to type in user input service dot input began connect function so if key code, you have to spell everything correctly or this won't work. Equals enum dot key code dot e. I always make it say e. Oh yeah, for my last video when I tried to add a. Did I even post that video? I didn't. You'll probably be wondering what. So yeah, dot left shift or right shift. Let's be real, but let's be real. Who uses right shift? So then, character dot humanoid dot walk speed. Make sure it's capital W and a capital S equals 150 or your preferred shift sprinting speed. But I'm trying to make it noticeable, so yeah. And yeah, you just want to copy this whole thing. And instead of input key began, you want to type in input ended. Okay, yeah. Just make sure it's input ended. And set this to 16, which is a default character speed. It shows here. 16. So or you can set this to preferred. I don't know if I'm always spelling this right. Preferred default walk speed. Look, don't judge me. I'm just gonna delete that. Nobody saw it. Okay, so Wait a minute. Let me just show you what happens if you don't do that. Or I would have said like, so when we press shift, we're gonna run fast, like a hacker. But we actually scripted it, so we're not hacking. But we can't. I would have said, but we can't turn it. Oh my god! But I said, but we can't turn it off unless you jump off a thing. So let's just turn it off. That's probably what I would have said. Now you just want to keep that. Alright. So when you press shift, you're gonna be you're gonna be a hacker. See? But when you release the shift button, you're not a hacker anymore. Or a scripter. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh! Please like and subscribe. And goodbye. Yes, I also don't have any intro or outro. Yeah.